course I have to sharpen it. Why wouldn't I have to sharpen it? Beautiful. And I think it's not giving me glitter particles everywhere. What did I do? Ew, that's gloss. Oh my. Alright, you guys, so today's video is going to be my January favorites. It's a little late. I wanted to have this up sooner, but I just didn't get a chance to film this, but I'm going to do it try-on style. So I'm going to show every single product that I was loving throughout January in action on my face. I actually don't have that many things to talk about. I only have a few makeup items and some skincare, and that's it. I'm going to have my earrings linked down below because I just love them so much. I think they're so cute. Aren't they? Like, oh my gosh. I've been into hair more too, so like I've been doing more with my hair. Anyway, I'm just like really excited today. I don't know what it is. But before I get into this video, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you love my monthly favorites. I also would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week. You can also head over to my Instagram where you could find me and a bunch of my creative looks. I just did the emoji inspired makeup looks. Oh my gosh, so much fun to do. And I'm gonna do some Valentine's Day looks next week. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the palette I'm gonna use today, and it's a palette I've been loving so much. And it is the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. I did a whole video on this. I did 3 looks, 1 palette. I swatched it. And I realized there's so much I could do with this palette, so I definitely want to do another look today. So I'm so excited to be able to use this today. I love the packaging. I'm going to keep the cardboard forever. This is available right now at Pat McGrath if you want to pick it up. It's not available at Sephora anymore. It is limited edition. So once it's sold out, you can't get it anymore. So I would definitely hop on that because honestly, trying out Pat McGrath for under $100 is literally a steal. I love this palette. You get so many shades. There's so many different options. There's so many different color combos. I did 3 looks with 3 different color schemes, and I can't wait to try and see what I'm going to come up with today. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something purpley, obviously, because I haven't done that yet. All right, so the first shade I'm going to take is this one right here. It's called Venusian Orchid. It's like the only thing about this palette, I did say it in my review, is that there's only a few mattes, so it's kind of annoying because you don't have many options, and they're all kind of like mauvey purpley tones instead of, you know, like brownie taupey tones. Anyway, I'm just gonna take this all over the crease and blend it out in windshield wiper motion, channeling my inner Jaclyn Hill windshield wiper motions. This brush is stained. I gotta like deep clean my brushes. I haven't in a while. I just usually spot clean. Let's wing it out. I have been doing that lately and I've been liking the way that looks. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is Venomous Void. So that's this one right here. It's the darker like mauvey purpley, I don't know, we're doing a purple look today. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and drag that into the crease and make sure it's all really nice and blended. I'm also gonna like drag it in that V shape I've been loving so much lately. These matte shades blend so well. I'm super in love with them. I am so excited though for this next shade because oh my gosh, I haven't even used it yet. I swatched it and I was like, I gotta use it. And that's this purple right here, this shimmery purple. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I have been so excited to try out this shade. These shadows are pigmented enough. You could pick it up with a brush that's not even wet, and it works so well. I absolutely love it. I need to figure out how I'm gonna blend this now because it kind of looks random on the lid, right? Let me take a little bit more of the darker shade and blend these 2 together. Yeah, that helps a little bit. You know what I might do is actually take this shade. I've been wanting to try it anyway, do like a really nice purple smoky eye, and just take it in the very outer corner to blend in with the matte shades in the outer corner. Yeah, that's stunning. I like that. I am so loving this look. I can't wait to add more to it when I'm done with the face, but I'm moving on to the face. So I'm going to prime my face using my Tatcha Still Canvas like I always do. Not any favorite, old favorite in every single video. Like literally the only primer I use. Oh, before we continue, I forgot to mention that I do have 2 other palettes that I was loving throughout January, and that is the Rare Beauty palettes. My husband actually got me these for Christmas and I was so happy to get them. I actually did a 2 looks, 2 palettes with this. 2 different palettes. I have them both here and I think they're really nice, and I think they're really worth the money, and they're super cute. And let me take them out of the packaging so you can actually see what I'm talking about in case you have no idea what I'm talking about. So this is the Magnetic Spirit palette. First of all, the packaging is super cute, super travel friendly. Although they are all shimmer shades, I've gotten so much use out of this. They're really nice, pretty lid shades. You can go in with other palettes or you could just go in with this one if you just want an all over like little shimmer shade, shimmer look. I don't know, shimmer situation, let's call it that. And then I absolutely love this palette. This is my favorite of the 2 actually. This is the Confident Energy palette. Of course it has more color, so that's why I'm more gravitated towards this. I am such a colorful person that I need them. I think they're really cute. They're not so expensive and I love the formula, so definitely highly recommend those. Anyway, back to the face. So for foundation, I have actually a couple of favorites. So I'm going to first talk to you about the one I'm not going to use. I have the Fenty Beauty powder foundation. This was a surprise, like honestly, that I actually liked it. I do have a whole video trying this out and a wear test, and I was surprisingly shocked at how good this looked on me, how much coverage it had. For a powder foundation, I was super shocked. I do have dry skin. You can go watch my whole video on this. I'm not going to go over everything, but I do have dry skin and it did not make me look dry whatsoever. It actually looked really good on me. I just realized I didn't blend my primer in a little bit there, but such a great powder foundation. I really did enjoy this and I have been using it a ton lately. The foundation I'm actually going in with today is the Urban Decay Hydromaniac foundation. This is amazing. Well, this is technically not a foundation. It's a tinted glow hydrator, basically like a tinted moisturizer. I guess it's a fancy way of saying that. I don't know. It's not really a tinted moisturizer. I wish it has more coverage than that, but it's pretty lightweight. It's a little bit light on me, so I do have another thing to talk about, another favorite, and that is the number 7 Match Made Custom Blend Foundation Drops. So this is what they look like. It's a tiny little tube, and what you do is you mix it in with your foundation. I actually got the shade Toffee. It's like a really dark shade, but you could also get really light shades. Like, I'm not sure what the lightest shade they have is, but it's basically a foundation mixer, so you can make your foundations darker or lighter. I think this is a great thing to have in your collection, especially if you self-tan like me. This is in the shade 30 Light, by the way, and I just think it's a little bit too light for my liking. So I'm gonna take some. It's actually a lot thicker than I had imagined at first. I'm gonna take like a little tiny drop, because if you do too much, then it obviously takes, like, it makes it way too dark. And then you just mix it, and then it should be my perfect shade. I like taking this with a sponge. I think it like gives a much prettier finish. This is a very nice light coverage. I would say light to medium. I think the claims are medium to full. I wouldn't say it's super full coverage. It really looks nice and hydrating and luminous and dewy. Might have made it a little too dark, of course. But as you can see, it gives such a beautiful luminous glow, and it's just like really nice light to medium coverage. I would say this is medium. I did do like a second layer, and I've been loving that lately. I used to be such a full coverage gal, but like, no, and now I love the light coverage. This is amazing. I highly recommend that foundation if you haven't checked it out. I haven't seen very many people talk about it, but super recommend it. All right, so I don't actually have any other makeup favorites until the very end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of my makeup. All right, now that the rest of my face is done, I'm gonna do my lower lash line real quick. I'm just gonna take the same shade that took my crease. Honestly, I don't wanna make it anything too complicated. So let me start off with the lighter matte shade, blend that, and the darker matte shade. For the inner corner, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade I was gonna take in the inner part of my lid, which is this one right here. It has like kind of a duochrome, super pretty. I love it. Oh yeah. Perfect choice. Super pretty. Okay, so the next thing I have is lips. I've been loving this lip liner, this lip combo really, but this lip liner is amazing and it goes with a lot of things. This is from ColourPop. I did recently get a lippy sticks, not a lippy sticks, a lippy liner vault. And oh my gosh, I have so many lip liners now, like for every occasion, red, pink, purple, like I have everything, but a lot of nudes, like so many nudes. I'll link that vault down below if they still have it. I think they do. Definitely recommend getting in on that because I actually bought it on sale too, which was amazing. So I did get an even better discount, but like literally any lip liner you're ever gonna need. But this has been my favorite so far. This is the BFF lip liner. This is the most standard nude. Of course I have to sharpen it. Why wouldn't I have to sharpen it? But it is like an amazing, beautiful, neutral nude. It goes with any lip combo, like I said. Look at that. Isn't that like the perfect nude? I love it. A lot of times in my recent videos, I've actually only been wearing this as my lip liner, and everyone has asked me what lipstick I'm wearing. I'm like, it's just a lip liner. I love it. So if you're gonna get one from the vault, definitely recommend BFF. It's beautiful, and I think it's suitable for a lot of skin tones too. And then over top, I've been loving the Alamar lip gloss in the shade Birthday Suit. Now this gloss formula is so amazing. It's not for everyone though. It's very sticky and goopy. So if you don't like that, then I would stay away from these, but they look really nice on the lips, and they have so many different colors. I recently bought like a whole collection of like literally all the lip glosses. I think I love this gloss formula. It's super pretty, and this is a nice pinky nude, and the combo of these is really pretty, like just a neutral nude with a pinky nude, and it also has some shimmer, some sparkles in there. It's super pretty. It has like purple, pink reflex. I don't know, such a pretty shade, and I think it matches this eye look so well too. I did mention these in my yearly favorites, Tati lashes, but I don't think I mentioned these specific ones because I don't know, I was so overwhelmed with everything I have to talk about in that video that I forgot that these were the ones that I wanted to talk about. But these are my favorite of the bunch. I've been trying a bunch of Tati lashes lately because I'm actually like on their PR list. They've sent me like 3 or 4 packages already, and I'm like so grateful for that. But but these are so stunning. These are my favorite out of the whole bunch. These are the style profile pics. Sorry that they're all messed up. I have to take off the glue and all that now. But these are the perfect like wispy. They wisp out at the end. They flare out at the end. I love it. I think they complement a lot of eye looks, especially ones that taper out like this. So I've been loving these so much. I've been using them like crazy. I actually have 3 pair now, but I've been abusing the crap out of each one of them, to be honest. And they last forever. They're also foam ink, which is amazing. So I highly recommend this lash brand. If you haven't checked them out, definitely do so. I love these profile pic lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on off camera because it takes me a while, and then I'll be right back to talk to you about the rest of my monthly favorites. All right, so let's get into the rest of the stuff. So like I said, it's pretty much all skincare from here. So the first thing I have is from Gin Amber Beauty. Gin Amber is my friend from here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. She has her own beauty brand called Gin Amber Beauty. I'll have it linked down below, but this is the retinol brightening eye cream. I absolutely have been loving this stuff. She did send this over to me and I have been testing it since she sent it over. I have used quite a bit of it, and I love Gin because she actually is an esthetician and she puts a lot of research and thought behind her products, and she only uses natural ingredients. And this is a retinol, like I said, brightening eye cream, so it's really good for under the eyes. It really helps smooth out your under eyes. I think this is totally worth the money. I would definitely repurchase this. It also has a really nice scent. It is a natural scent because she only uses natural ingredients, 100% natural, and it's 74.66% organic. Like, she really does a lot of research. She is so educated on ingredients. She is so good with her skincare, so I definitely recommend this. I have been loving this for under my eyes. I think it has smoothed everything out so nicely. I definitely recommend this. Next, I have some stuff from Shower Talk. I did talk about these in my latest haul. I'll have it up in the cards in case you want to watch it, but these are from Kopari and I absolutely love these. This broke in the shower. I'm so upset. But this is the Kopari Sudsea Shower Oil and also the Kopari Coconut Crush Scrub. I love them both for really smoothing out my body. Oh my gosh, this really takes out all the dead skin. This works so well. I used to love the Bum Bum Scrub, the Bum Bum Body Scrub. I still love it a lot, but it does have like huge glitter particles. So if you don't like that, you won't like that. And sometimes I really don't want that. So I definitely wanted something that would exfoliate while like not giving me glitter particles everywhere. So this is definitely it for me. I absolutely love this. I got this from Sephora. I'll have it linked down below like always. And this shower oil, oh my gosh, I was so sad. It broke in the shower yesterday and I was gonna use it like right when I was gonna use it, it fell on the floor. So now I have to like open it, which is annoying, but it is really nice and thick. It's a really nice thick oil that you massage into the skin. What did I do? Ew, that's gloss. Oh my gosh, take this off. But yeah, this is so nice. It makes my skin nice and soft. I love using this when I'm gonna tan, so it makes my skin nice and smooth so I don't get streaks everywhere when I tan. So I highly recommend these products as well. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And the last thing is this Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. So this is a lotion. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. I haven't used it as often only because I'm actually self-tanning and I don't think I should be using it at the same time. But this is for when you're not self-tanning, like in the in-between phases, which I have been using lately. You have to use this for a few days in a row in order to see something, but it is like a gradual, like it says in the title, gradual tanning milk. So you'll go from being pretty pale to a little bit darker. Really nice and moisturizing. It doesn't smell like a self-tanner, which I really like. It smells like coconut. It smells a lot like the Kopari actually, now that I think about it. And I really have been enjoying this. I've been using this during the day so I can use my bum bum at night, because I gotta use my bum bum at night. You gotta be careful though and wash your hands after you use this, because I made that mistake once and my hands were brown. It was not cute. It was not a look, but I do really like that stuff. But yeah, that was everything in my January favorites. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like this try on style type thing, because if not, I could do it a different way. Like I saw Samantha March the other day, she did her favorites in a ranking style and I really did enjoy that as well. If you want to see me do a ranking style next time, let me know. I'm really here for what you guys want to see. So if you like the try on style, let me know. If you want to see the ranking style, let me know. Or I could mix and match. I could mix it up. I could do whatever you want me to do. And yeah, that completes this video. Let me know what you were loving throughout January as well. I would love to know. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. But before these matte shades definitely blah. These shadows are so like blah. But you could also get really like light shade. Alamar desnudas. No, in my next video. Bye. What? And I'll see you guys in my next. But you could also get really like light shade.